State of Israel requests the court to reject the request for the modification and indication of provisional measures submitted by the Republic of South Africa.
That what we heard today was not really an engagement on the facts, some engagement on the facts, but not really rebutting what South Africa is trying to assert, is essentially trying to detract and blame, cast political aspersions on the intentions of South Africa. And what we are hoping for is that the judges will actually look at the strength of our own pleadings, not only now, but also in terms of our responses to Israel's written reports as required by the courts. Because we do believe that our own intention here has really been to bring to the fore key concerns around international crimes, in particular the crimes of crimes, which is genocide in this case. And we are very serious about that from a human rights perspective. And not essentially here as alleged by Israel that we are here to defend or protect Hamas from destruction.
While Israeli troops are mounting around Rafah.
I think what we heard today is a delusional presentation and a parallel reality that is contrary to everything that the international community, the relevant institutions, the numbers of humanitarian workers who were killed, the number of journalists, the live stream of this genocide, which you have all seen. Israel wants us to disbelieve what everybody is seeing lively, including in relation to humanitarian aid and everything. This, what have been represented today and presented before the court today, is contrary to what international organizations and relevant bodies who are working on the ground and denied to take actions related to relieving the suffering of the people on the ground are saying contrary to what Israel is saying today. Israel today tried to draw a parallel reality which does not exist, and I think it is exposed in the sense that every international and relevant body have spoken against such claims.
You have the floor, madam.
Mr. President, the State of Israel requests the court to reject the request for the modification and indication of provisional measures submitted by the Republic of South Africa.
This case, even by its very name, the application of the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide in the Gaza Strip, suggests an inversion of reality. It has given rise to South Africa's egregious and repeated efforts to bring Israel before this court through the obscene exploitation of the most sacred convention. South Africa presents the court yet again, for the fourth time within the scope of less than 5 months, with a picture that is completely divorced from the facts and circumstances. Israel is engaged in a difficult and tragic armed conflict. South Africa ignores this factual context, which is essential in order to comprehend the situation, and also ignores the applicable legal framework of international humanitarian law. It makes a mockery of the heinous charge of genocide. Mr. President, members of the court, this brings me to the fourth fact that the court must not lose sight of. The decision of the Israeli cabinet and their implementation on the ground leave no doubt that South Africa's allegations regarding genocide are completely and utterly baseless.
I thank the co-agent of Israel and ask